Before opening submissions to authors, you might want to test the submission form to double check you are happy with the way it looks and that it contains all the information you need. This can be easily done. You just need to go under Event Dashboard, scroll down to Submission and just click on Copy Link. You can then copy it onto a new web page and start with your submission. Once you are ready to open submissions to your audience, you can easily delete the test abstracts. All you have to do is go on Submissions, select the abstracts you wish to delete and click Delete Selected. If you realise you have deleted the wrong abstract, there's no need to panic. Simply select View Deleted, select the abstract you want to restore and click Restore Selected. Any new submissions will not replace the submission ID code of the deleted abstract. However, you can manually recode your abstracts after the reviewing has finished. A separate support video on this particular task is available on our website. That's it, a straightforward process with Oxford Abstracts. Don't forget to visit our website and YouTube channel where you'll find a list of comprehensive articles and videos to assist you along the way. However, if still in doubt, get in contact with us at support@oxfordabstracts.com where we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our video.